Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to view or find your wish list on Wish application. You can easily find your wish list on the Wish app, so make sure to launch open the application to get started. Once you open up the app, make sure to sign into your account as well. After you are signed in, from the main homepage of Wish, go to the top of the screen and you should be able to see an icon that says Wishlist. Simply tap on Wishlist and then you will come across all of your wish lists on the screen. On your wish list, you can easily manage your saved item and curate personalized collections, which will make easier for you to shop for the desired item quickly and easily right from your wish list. So that is how you can easily find your wish list on Wish application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.